If you have always wanted to make ice cream at home but you don't have an ice cream maker or a Ninja Creami, then this video is for you. Today we're making easy no-churn ice cream in 3 delicious flavors: strawberry swirl, Nutella, and mango passion fruit. We're gonna start by making a base for all 3 flavors. For that, we only need 3 ingredients: heavy cream, condensed milk, and vanilla paste or vanilla extract. We're making a double batch, so we'll have enough ice cream base for all 3 flavors. We need 5 cups of heavy cream. So first, we need to whip the cream. Once it's nice and fluffy, we'll fold in the condensed milk and vanilla paste or extract. We need 2 cans of the condensed milk. And 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Now the mixture should look like this. If you wanted to make plain vanilla ice cream, you could simply transfer this into containers and freeze it for about 6 hours. But we're making 3 different flavors today, so we're going to divide the mixture evenly between 3 bowls. I thought we could start with the Nutella flavor. First, we're gonna fold in 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips. Next, we're going to melt 4 heaped tablespoons of Nutella. I'm gonna melt this in the microwave. I microwaved it for 30 seconds and now it's a lot runnier. Next, we need 1 big container. We're gonna spoon half of the ice cream mixture into the container. And then we drizzle some Nutella on top. And then we spoon the rest of the ice cream on top. And then we add the rest of the Nutella. I feel like there's a bit too much. I'm not gonna add all of this. I think this looks already pretty good. And then we're gonna use a knife to make a swirl. And now it should look like this. And then we just add the lid on top. And pop these into the freezer for at least 6 hours or overnight. Next, we're gonna make the mango passion fruit flavor. For that, we need 1/2 cup of mango puree. The one I'm using is 100% made of mango. And then we need the pulp of 3 passion fruits. And then we just stir. And now it looks like this. And the same thing as with the Nutella ice cream, we're gonna spoon half of it into a container. And then we drizzle some mango puree on top. Then we spoon the rest of the ice cream on top. And lastly, we add another drizzle of the mango puree. And again, we're gonna use a knife to make a swirl. This looks so pretty. Now we're gonna add the lid on top. And pop this into the freezer for at least 6 hours or overnight. And lastly, we're gonna make the strawberry swirl flavor. First, we're gonna make a super easy strawberry syrup. We need 2 cups of strawberries. and 4 tablespoons of sugar. And now we're gonna let them simmer over medium heat for about 10 minutes until the mixture thickens, stirring occasionally. You can mash the strawberries lightly with a spoon. Now it's ready. And now we're gonna let this cool down. Now the strawberry syrup has cooled down, or maybe I should call this a jam because it's so thick. And again, the same thing, we're gonna spoon half of the mixture into a container. And then we add the strawberry syrup / jam. And just add some dollops. And then we add the rest of the ice cream mixture on top. And rest of the strawberries. And lastly, we make the swirl. And now it should look like this. And then we just pop it into the freezer for 6 hours or overnight. Now the ice creams are ready. I always let them sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes before serving so they soften. And I have the ice cream scoop here in hot water because it makes scooping the ice cream a lot easier. I thought we could try out the Nutella flavor first. It looks so good. I drizzled some melted Nutella on top. It looks so good. Let's try it out. It's really yummy, super creamy. Your turn.
Absolutely perfect. It doesn't get better than this.
The Nutella ice cream is really sweet, rich, and creamy. So if you like Nutella, you have to try that out. Next, we're gonna try out the mango passion fruit flavor. It's so pretty. Now let's try out the mango passion fruit flavor. I think it's really delicious. It's creamy but also refreshing, and the mango passion fruit flavor combination is perfect. It tastes like summer. Your turn. And it's not too sweet because I feel like the Nutella one was maybe a bit too sweet for me, but I really like that one. What do you think?
Well said. Tastes like summer. Tastes exactly like summer.
Yeah, it's really good. And lastly, we have the strawberry swirl flavor. This looks so good. I think this is my favorite. I love strawberries, and this is so creamy.
I think this is my favorite too. This reminds me of an ice cream I used to eat when I was a kid. It brings back a lot of summer memories.
Yeah, it's a perfect treat for summer. I hope you like these ice cream recipes. As always, I'll add the written recipes to the description. Let me know in the comments what kind of recipes you want to see next. See you guys next week. Bye!